Good morning, friends. We have completed in last lecture we have completed the mean. So in mean we have completed again repeat, or we can say revision, direct method, assume mean, step deviation, unknown frequency 1, unknown frequency 2, that is f1 and f2. Already we have completed. Now already I am saying to you, in next lecture we are discussing related with the central frequency. There are three frequencies. Central tendency we will already discuss in first lecture, that in central tendency three things we have to understand, that is mean, median and mode. So mean already we have completed. Now we discuss related with the mode. So first of all, there are already we have understand in 9th standard that for ungrouped data, maximum frequency related with the mode in ungrouped data. If you will go for 9th standard, number of frequencies are given. When maximum frequency is there, we can say maximum repeated or maximum repeated. So if you will say one sum related with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. So someone asked you what is the mode of a ungrouped data, that is 1. Why? Because maximum repeated observation, or we can say frequency. Now today we want to discuss with the group data. So for group data, again we have to mode of group data. So first of all we have to understand the formula related to it. So important formula for mode, that is mode is equal to, formula is mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by twice f1 minus f0 minus f2 bracket over multiplied by h. So at least you have to write 4 or 5 times this formula, then you can learn it properly. Again you have to repeat 4 or 5 times. Again I am repeating. Mode symbol, again symbol of mode is Z, already we have discussed in 9. Mode symbol is Z. So mode Z is equal to L. So first of all we have to understand the term related to it. So L is there. What is the meaning of L? Lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of model class. So when classes are given, we have to first of all find out the model class. F1, frequency of the model class. Whatever we have find out the model class. So frequency of model class, that is F1. F0, frequency of preceding class. Preceding the model class. Frequency of preceding class. Model class ni upar ni frequency, that is called preceding. F2, frequency of the succeeding class, means model class ni niche ni frequency, that is called succeeding. And model, every time we are discuss one word model class. Again here one model class. Again here one model class. So what is the meaning of model class? Model class means what? In a given frequency, maximum frequency you have observed, it is called maximum frequency you have observed, that is called model class. Model class નો મતલબ છે કે જ્યાં maximum frequency હોય, we can say model class. Now we have to discuss, it's NCERT based 2011 CBSE board, 2011 question, CBSE board 2011, that question asked in board exam. So we are discussing first. So first of all, question is in form of horizontal, we have to convert into vertical. Always remember, question is in form of horizontal, we have to convert into vertical. So class are given, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 class are there. Easiest sum, mean, median and mode. All three center frequency, center tendency, easiest sum is mode. So maybe possible in 2 marks they can ask, or even though in 1 marks also ask. So frequency that is given 10, 35, 62, 61, 38 and 29. Here important note that here there is no total frequencies given. Even though in formula it is not needed. Even though in formula it is not needed. Here H is there. So everyone know that it is a height of class. Height of class. That we can easily find out. Difference come. So if the height of class, if you will see 10, 20, 20, 40, 40, 60, so 20 is there. Now we are doing this sum. So first of all, we have to find out maximum frequency. So here if you will see, maximum frequency is 61. Maximum frequency is 61. If you will observe the frequency, 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Out of 6, maximum frequency is 61. So what I have to write? Frequency as a 61 because of maximum. So what we have to write? Make a rectangle on it because we have to find out the model class. So model class having maximum frequency. So we have to write rectangle like that and model class because of maximum frequency 61. Now what we have to go? Lower limit of model class, that is L. So here L, that is 60. L we have to wait 60. Now F1, frequency of model class. So always F1 we have to put arrow and write F1. F1 above always F0 and below always F2. Always remember, whenever there is a F1, above we can say F0 and below we can say F2. So F0 or F1 and F2. First of all, we have to find out F1. So maximum frequency of model class, that is F1. Above, frequency of preceding model class. Model class is upper niche, that is we can say 52. Frequency of the succeeding, that is below. So 38, F2. Model class already we have find out. Now we have to put all this value in a formula. L, F1, F0, twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height H. So M is equal to, sorry I have to write here Z because it's a model. What I have to write? Z. Model. Or model. 60, that is L. That is 60 plus F1 minus F0. So I have to see F1 minus F0, that is 61 minus 52. Twice F1. So 2 into F1, that is 2 into 61 minus F0. I have to see minus F0, that is 52 minus F2, that is 38. So minus minus plus. So what I have to do? First I have to add this. So 52 and 38 minus minus plus. So minus 90. 61 2s are 132. So 132 minus 90, that is 32. 132 minus 90, that is 32. Now you have to make cancellation of it. So if I will cancel it, 5 into 4 and a 4 into 8, this 4 cut. 9 5s are 45. 45 divided by 8. You will get 5.625. So 60 plus 5.625, we can get 65.625. So I think it is easy and we can easily get the answer. One more sums we are explaining it here, so you will get better result. It's a text based sum, I am writing it here, and we have to get the answer of it by putting the given formula. So I am writing it here, that is a NCERT text question. It's also asked in board exam. So 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9 and 11. Frequencies are 7, 08, 02, 02 and 01. Always now formula already we have, then we have to solve this sum. It's asked again, it's a CBSE board question. It should be asked in board exam, and it is also a textual base 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 9 11 and 7 8 2 2 and 1. Now first of all we have to find out maximum frequency, where it is. So here it is maximum frequency. So I have to write L at here, and here it is. Always if you will see the question F1, I have to write F1. F0 preceding class, that is F0. Succeeding class, that is F2. Now what we have to do? 3, F0, F1, F2 and L, and height h is difference is 2. So I have to put all this value at here. L, that is 3. Always remember answer must be between 3 and 5. Always remember model class having maximum frequency, it means answer must be between 3 and 5. Now F1, that is 8 minus F0, that is 7, twice F1, 2 into 8 minus F0, that is 7, F2, that is 2, into height, that is 2. So Z is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7, that is 1. 8 to ja 16. First off we have to simplify this. 16 minus 9 into 2. So 3 plus, here 16 minus 9, that is 7. So 2 divided by 7. Now 7 to ja 21 plus 2, that is 23 divided by 7. So you have to divide 23 by 7. 7 is 21, 2 0. Point 7 2 is 14, 6 0. 7 8 is 56. So answer is 3.28. If we go to 3 digit, again 4 is there. So 7 5 is 35. So 3 digit answer is that. Then I have to write Z is equal to 3.28 bar. So mode is easy again. Mode means what? For maximum frequency, that is our answer. Always remember maximum frequency, answer is between maximum frequency. You have to anyhow mug up this formula. Mode is equal to Z, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height h. And you have to write all the things in your rough book or text fair book. So now 14.2 exercise, you have to start yourself and try to solve the sum. Thank you.